Bonjour. Let me thank the European Commission for inviting me to this conference. In normal times, I should have come today to share with you the fantastic European Athletics Championships in Paris, 82 years after the last edition in France in 1938. Unfortunately, the coronavirus has been here. These European Championships, originally scheduled for August 2020, would have launched the 33rd Olympiad towards the Paris 2024 Games and been a major sporting and popular celebration for thousands of athletes, spectators and viewers, journalists and volunteers. At the start of the year, the Paris 2020 team already comprised nearly 70 persons, and by the beginning of March, everything was under control with nearly 60% tickets already sold, discussions with Eurovision to ensure the best TV production quality, work in process with the city of Paris for the setup of magnificent competition venues at the Charléty Stadium, the Trocadero and the Eiffel Tower Gardens, and fruitful cooperation with relevant authorities concerning the security of the event. From the start of the pandemic, our team, with French athletics and European athletics, worked extremely hard on several scenarios. Driven by the desire to offer athletes from all over Europe an opportunity to express their talent, we studied all the issues and possibilities for safely staging the event. Implementing special activities linked to COVID-19, modification of the venues, cancellation of the half marathon and the mass race. Numerous meetings were organized with the national authorities in order to obtain their recommendations concerning the health situation and the possibility for 50 nations to join us. Unfortunately, all recommendations gave a clear message. The risks of staging the championships in August 2020 were simply too high. At the same time, the solution of postponing the championships by 1 year was also studied. However, the uncertainty of the total disappearance of the virus and the discovery of a vaccine, the French, European and world economic situation, the density of the 2021 international calendar, and the additional financial costs linked to the postponement did not allow us to calmly think of a postponement. After all the analysis, the Paris 2020 board made the responsible choice and decided to cancel the organization of the European Championships in 2020. This difficult decision was for us a way to contribute to the fight against the virus by avoiding large groups of people from around Europe coming together and potentially spreading the infection. On another side, our discussions with the European Commission enable us to continue our Erasmus Plus project called European Volunteers and Active Citizens, and this despite the cancellation of the championships, by modifying and adapting the concept. At the time of the cancellation, nearly 1,200 volunteers had been selected and partially prepared after a long process of recruitment. It seemed essential to us to make something valuable out of the opportunity we had created. Even in the difficult sanitary context, a big majority of the selected volunteers accepted to continue, and they participated in several activities like the e-forum dedicated to the young leaders in August, the gathering of 250 persons face-to-face and 300 through video conference in October. As you can imagine, we were not prepared for that situation, and the risk assessments which were done earlier were not mentioning at all this kind of threat. Under these conditions, we have tried our best for the sport, but most important, for the health of everybody. Thanks a lot for your attention.